Thresholds can be added to online ordering outlets to set order limits. Thresholds allow you to determine the number of orders that can be accepted for a specific time range or a specific interval for a specific day of the week. These limits can apply to both now type orders or order ahead type orders. For example, on Mondays from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., you only want to allow a maximum of 10 orders per hour. Thresholds can be set for each applicable online ordering outlet. Start by selecting the outlet you want to set thresholds for. Then, select the Scheduling button. From the Scheduling screen, click on an existing schedule or add a new schedule. For more information on scheduling or setting up an outlet, watch the video titled Set Up Online Ordering Outlets. Within the Scheduling Details screen, select the Threshold button. The Threshold Setup column drop-downs will have selectable data that is pulled from the schedule you selected. Start by selecting the desired day of the week you wish to add an order limit for. Then select the desired order from time to define the start time of the time frame for the selected day of the week. Then select the desired order until time to define the end time of the time frame for the selected day of the week. Use the interval time column to define the time window of the order limit between the order from and order until time range. You can set this option to time range, meaning the order limit will apply to the entire order from/order until time range. Enter the desired order limit. This is the number of orders that can be accepted during the specified day of the week, the order from/until time frame, and within the interval time. In this example, we can allow for 10 orders every 60 minutes on Tuesdays between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Once you have added any applicable thresholds for the schedule for this outlet, select OK from the Threshold screen, OK from the Scheduling Details screen, and Exit from the Scheduling screen. You have the ability to create customized threshold messages by selecting the Threshold Message button. This will launch the Threshold Messages screen. These messages can be helpful to let your members know if an order limit has been reached and their order cannot be fulfilled. A message will appear when a member places their order online, instead of the current message that the order was successful, so that the member is aware that their order was not accepted. There are 3 messages that can be customized. For Now orders, this message is used when the member has selected the Now button online and the order limit has been reached. If your club does not offer the Order Ahead feature, you may want a message specifically telling the member certain instructions, for example, to call the club to place their order. For Order Ahead orders where other order times are available, this message is used when the requested time the member selected has reached the order limit. However, there are other times available for the member to choose from. The club may want to direct the member to choose another time in this message. For Order Ahead orders where no other times are available, this message is used when the requested time the member selected has reached the order limit, and every other available requested time has also reached the order limit. Therefore, no requested time can be selectable by the member. The club may want to put in the message a way for the member to contact the club to place their order. Once you have configured your thresholds and added your threshold messages, select OK. Menu groups can be set to not count towards the order limit. For instance, some items that might not involve prepping by a kitchen and therefore do not require a limit. To enable this feature, select the Menu Group Setup button. Add a new menu group or select an existing menu group. Enabling Exclude from counting as an order for threshold will set all items that are in the group to not be counted against the order limit. Each chit is counted as one order towards the order limit. As an example, if the chit has 100 items on it, then it counts as one order. If any order has at least one item on it that is from a menu group that is not flagged, then the order will not be excluded and will count towards the order limit. Here is an example. Once you have made your adjustments, select OK. And select OK from the Outlet Menu Setup program to save your changes. A new online ordering threshold inquiry has been added to the chip processing menu. The inquiry allows the club to see which order limit time ranges have been reached. When the order limit has been reached, the orders available column will be gray and there will be a 0 in the column. If the order limit has not been reached, the orders available column will be green and you will be able to see how many orders are available before the limit is reached. Optionally use the search parameters at the top of the inquiry screen to narrow down your inquiry view. A Rejected Orders tab has been added to the Online Ordering Queue program. This tab will show any rejected orders. An order will be considered rejected if the order could not be processed because the order limit was reached. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.